For years, one name defined the electric vehicle revolution: Tesla. Not just as a car company, but as a symbol of the future. When people thought about EVs, they thought about Elon Musk, Model S, Model 3, superchargers, and Silicon Valley innovation. So when the headline broke that China's BYD had overtaken Tesla as the world's biggest electric vehicle seller, it felt like a turning point. Not a temporary fluctuation, but a shift in momentum. This wasn't just about quarterly sales figures. To me, this story represents something much bigger, a change in who controls the direction of the global auto industry. Tesla was the pioneer, BYD is the industrial machine, and historically, when innovation meets mass production usually wins. Now, let's address the argument everyone brings up immediately. Tesla still sells more pure EVs. That's technically true in some reporting periods. Tesla only sells BEVs, while BYD sells both BEVs and plug-in hybrids. But here's my honest take. This debate is becoming outdated. Consumers don't shop based on drivetrain philosophy. They shop based on price, convenience, reliability, infrastructure availability. In many parts of the world, charging infrastructure is still inconsistent. Plug-in hybrids make sense. They lower anxiety and fit existing habits. BYD understands this reality far better than Tesla does. Tesla bet on a future where charging networks were already mature. BYD bet on a present where they are not. And that's why BYD's numbers reflect real-world demand, not just ideal conditions. In my opinion, BYD's biggest advantage is not branding or hype, it's control. BYD controls battery production, key components, supply chains, manufacturing scale. This vertical integration allows BYD to do something incredibly powerful: lower prices without destroying profit margins. Tesla, despite its efficiency, still depends on external suppliers for many components. BYD doesn't. And when you combine that with China's manufacturing ecosystem, cheap logistics, skilled labor, aggressive competition, you get vehicles that are simply more affordable for the average buyer. BYD isn't trying to make every car revolutionary. They're trying to make every car sell. That mindset matters more than people realize. Let me be very clear, Tesla is not collapsing. Tesla is still one of the most important car companies in the world. Tesla still leads in software, over-the-air updates, charging infrastructure, brand recognition in Western markets. But Tesla is facing a problem that all pioneers eventually face: the market caught up. EVs are no longer niche, they're mainstream. And mainstream buyers behave differently from early adopters. Early adopters want innovation. Mainstream buyers want value. Tesla lowering prices repeatedly tells me one thing: competition is real and it's intense. BYD doesn't need to be cool. It needs to be available, affordable, and scalable. That's a fight Tesla can't easily win. This story isn't just about two companies, it's about geography. Electric vehicles are redefining global automotive dominance, and China is positioning itself as the center of that future. China controls battery raw materials, refining capacity, manufacturing scale. BYD is a product of that ecosystem. Tesla is a visitor in it. As BYD expands aggressively into Southeast Asia, Europe, Latin America, and Australia, it's targeting regions where future growth actually exists, not just where profits are highest today. That long-term thinking is what separates companies that survive from companies that dominate. In my opinion, BYD overtaking Tesla was never a question of if, but when. Tesla changed the world by proving EVs could work. BYD is changing the world by making EVs unavoidable. Tesla represents innovation and vision. BYD represents execution and scale. And in the automotive industry, execution always wins in the long run. This doesn't mean Tesla is finished. Far from it. But it does mean the era of Tesla standing alone at the top is over. The EV future will be competitive, global, and brutally efficient. And right now, BYD is playing that game better than anyone else.